Reading is one of the strategies to improve your vocabulary and pronunciation in Nigerian Pidgin English. As you listen to the text being read, take note of the underlined words and expressions. They will be pronounced and explained in the glossary at the end of the text. Should you come across any additional words or expression that you don't understand and they are not explained, put them in the comment section for further clarification. Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day or St. Valentine's Day, they happen on February 14 for most part of the world, and it technically means the accomplishment of St. Valentine, a 3rd century Roman saint. But instead of make people they honor St. Valentine through religious ceremony, them they enjoy the day through romantic behavior with their oga and madam, boyfriends and girlfriends, or even partners wey dem just meet sharply. Na so gifts go dey fly for air, restaurants dem go choke with people, malls go become no-go area, even all the hotels dem go dey fully booked because the night na for knacking galore. All this in the name of celebrating Valentine's Day. Chocolate and flower na common gifts wey lovers dey give themselves. Dem go come accompany am with greeting card. But some babes wey their eyes don tear reach back go ask you if na flower dem go chop if you give dem flowers. Na wetin dey make some men japa before the day reach. Well, today, Valentine's Day no be for only lovers alone. Many people dey celebrate the day with their friends and family members. But the truth be say, na people wey Jones dey prefer to spend the day with their friends and family. If dem get choice, dem go prefer to spend am with their partner. Many smart guys don dey use this adage to escape from the girls wey their eyes dey red. If person tell dem say Valentine's Day come, dem go answer, "Oya now, greet am for me." Sharply, knacking galore. But some babes wey their eyes don tear reach back, na flower dem go chop, japa, Jones, eyes dey red. Valentine dey come. Oya now, greet am for me.